In this video, I will compare Next.js and Vite. Next.js and Vite both are popular tools for building React applications but serve different purposes. Next.js is a full-stack React framework that provides server sites, rendering static, site generation, and API routes, making it ideal for building dynamic websites. It offers great SEO support and easy setup and production development. On the other hand, it is a building tool and development server designed for modern web applications. It focuses on speed and simplicity with features like fast hot model replacement and HMR, and native support for TypeScript, GSX, and more. However, it's more lightweight and doesn't include server-side rendering like Next. In short, choose Next.js if you need a full-featured framework with SSR static, site generation, and faster build times. Thanks for watching.